Good morning. We are looking out over Middle Island here. We had a lovely little breakfast this morning and then are just wandering around for the day. This little town is beautiful. It's very clean, very well laid out. Warrnambool is actually well known for its penguins. On that little island over there is a population of just under 200 penguins that have been saved by putting 2 dogs on the island permanently. They do tours regularly, but unfortunately it's their breeding season at the moment, so no one's allowed over there, and this is the closest we're gonna get. And I haven't actually seen the dogs on the island yet, but I really want to. It'd be really neat to see. And we saw that there's actually a movie about it, so we're gonna have to find that and put the link in the description below or something. Tower Hill right now. It's a dormant volcano and they've made a whole wildlife reserve on it. I was a little bit mean and scared Greg a little bit by telling him there's a snake behind him. He's not the biggest fan of snakes, but it was funny. It was funny for me. Tonight we're gonna be on our way to Hall's Gap to the Grampians National Park, so then tomorrow we can do some hiking and climb some mountains and see some nice views.
Don't you point out any snakes?
So we just stopped off in Penshurst for some lunch. There was one little cafe, unfortunately no vegetarian food, so I got a lovely peanut butter sandwich from our local kitchen. This town is adorable, but also really quiet. I was standing out in the middle of the road and like not a single car went by, which is probably for the best because I was in the middle of the road. So we're here at Tower Hill. It's a little volcano. It's actually not extinct, or it's not a completely dead volcano. It's just, what is it? It's quiet, it's sleeping, it's dormant. That's the one. What town are we in? Penshurst. Penshurst. Oh, he wanted me to go sit in the middle of the road. I think he was hoping I would get run over. But sorry, bud, not today.